feel so nervous today. I feel so nervous today.
Hey, Simran. Sorry I'm a bit late. Hey, Simran. Sorry I'm a bit late.
It's okay. I've been thinking a lot. It's okay. I've been thinking a lot.
What's wrong? You look serious. What's wrong? You look serious.
I think we need to talk about us. I think we need to talk about us.
Okay, I'm listening. Tell me. Okay, I'm listening. Tell me.
We don't spend much time together anymore. We don't spend much time together anymore.
I've been really busy with work. I've been really busy with work.
It's not just that. I feel lonely. It's not just that. I feel lonely.
I'm sorry. I didn't know you felt this way. I'm sorry. I didn't know you felt this way.
I think we are growing apart.
I think we are growing apart.
Do you really mean that?
Do you really mean that?
Yes. It's not working anymore.
Yes, it's not working anymore.
I still love you, Simran.
I still love you, Simran.
I love you too, but this is not healthy.
I love you too, but this is not healthy.
Can we try to fix it?
Can we try to fix it?
I've tried, but I think we should break up.
I've tried, but I think we should break up.
This is so hard to hear.
This is so hard to hear.
I'm really sorry, Avinash.
I need some time to accept this. I need some time to accept this.
I understand. Take care of yourself.
I understand. Take care of yourself.
You too. I wish you the best.
You too. I wish you the best.
Goodbye, Avinash.
Goodbye, Avinash. Goodbye, Simran. Goodbye, Simran.
This was the hardest thing I've done.
This was the hardest thing I've done. I hope she finds happiness. I hope she finds happiness.
I need to focus on myself now.
I need to focus on myself. Now, time to move forward. Time to move forward.
Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay.
New
beginnings.
Start.
Start.
After goodbye.
After goodbye.